Loading inventory. Loading inventory can be one of the most time-consuming retail tasks. Eagle for Windows Inventory Maintenance helps simplify this process with its easy-to-use inventory loading system. Here's a brief demonstration. Before you can begin loading inventory, you first need to define the following: departments, classes, and fine lines, price matrix, quantity breaks and price rounding, units of weight and measure, and vendors. Within inventory maintenance, the tools you need to define these areas are available by clicking the Go To button on the toolbar. From this menu, you can set up your departments, classes, and fine lines with these options: price matrix, quantity breaks, and price rounding with these, and units of weight and measure with these. Vendor maintenance will be available through the Eagle for Windows purchasing module. The rest of the options are all inventory maintenance or query features. To demonstrate how one of the loading options works, let's select Modify Department. First, we'll select a department. Notice that department sales information displays in the grid. Since this grid is changeable, we can add, delete, or change data directly within it. Now we'll clear the window to demonstrate adding a new department. First, assign a department number. Next, type in the department name. Then select the stores for which you want to add this department. In this example, we'll select All Stores. Then enter your desired gross profit percentage. Once you've entered all of the necessary data, click Add, and a confirmation message displays. Click Close to return to the inventory maintenance screen. Once you've entered all of your supporting data, you're ready to proceed to the Load tab to load your inventory. Begin by filling out the master data fields above the tabs. While the only required field is department, entering as much information as possible will make your inventory records much more manageable and user-friendly. Continue by entering additional data in the main load window. When you're finished, click Add. Notice here that if you didn't specify an SKU number, the system assigns one automatically, and the loading for this inventory item is completed. If you need to make modifications to any data that is not displayed on the Load tab, go to the desired tab, make your changes, and then click Change. This quick tip provided information to help you begin your inventory loading process. For information on how to maintain inventory after it's loaded, view the quick tip titled Maintaining Inventory, as well as the related inventory maintenance online help topics.